Hello and welcome. Today in this video I'll show you how to change your voice on TikTok and YouTube. Let's go. So for example, I want to make a funny short video with a celebrity voice on TikTok or YouTube. How to do it? Your first thought may be to do these actions I definitely need a program, but fortunately there is a site where I can do all of this. It's called TopMediai AI. It allows you to convert your text to speech using different voices. All links will be in the description. First you need to sign up. To do it, go to the right top of the screen and press Sign Up. Now type your email and password. After this, log in your account. Press Try Now. The menu will appear. And all you need is to paste any text here and choose a voice. A free version will let you use only 2000 characters, but you won't be able to download the result. You can only listen to it. The full version will unlock these features. In the left side of the screen, you can select the language in which you want to voice your text. As you can see, it has almost all languages: English, Arabic, German, etc. Let's try English. So I'm pasting the text here. And next you need to press Convert. Let's see what we got.
Hi guys! In the previous video about installing MS-DOS on a new modern hardware, I promised to film another video where I will try to install Windows 3.1 on it. So today I'll try to find out, is it possible to install Windows 3.1 on a new modern PC? Okay, let's go.
Sounds great. If you feel your text was spoken very quickly or slowly, here you can add a pause or change the speed. Here is the example.
Welcome. You can use my voice to make interesting video and audio works, set exclusive alarms and ringtones, record blessings for elders, children, friends and colleagues, make audio diaries, and read stories.
To add a pause, press here. I will add 2 pauses to my text. That's how it sounds.
Hi guys. In the previous video about installing MS-DOS on a new modern hardware, I promised to film another video where I will try to install Windows 3.1 on it.
You can select any voice you want. There is a search here. For example, you want to use Tupac voice. I am typing Tupac, and here it is. Or you want to use Biden voice, Keanu Reeves, etc. Or you can use categories: politicians, new, hot, Halloween, games, animation, TV series, and you can use your own voice. I will show it later. Let's use rappers, Tupac.
Hi guys, in the previous video about installing MS-DOS on a new modern hardware, I promised to film another video where I will try to install Windows 3.1 on it.
Not bad. Okay, let's choose politicians. Let it be, I don't know, Barack Obama.
We have the same PC as before. It's Intel i9 to 9900K, 32 GB of RAM, MSI Z390 motherboard, and 2K LG monitor with 144 Hz rate.
Nice, Barack Obama was talking about my PC. Okay, let's try another one. Let it be Shrek. Let's see what will happen.
Okay, to install Windows 3.1, we need MS-DOS.
Nice. It has even South Park here. Let's try Rick Cartman.
Okay. To install Windows 3.1, we need MS-DOS. I know it's better to use OG version of MS-DOS to avoid any issues, but I'll try to use FreeDOS, which can be written to a USB stick using a program called Rufus. It takes 2 minutes.
Great. This site has another cool feature. It can automatically translate your text into another language during voice generation. In simple terms, you can paste your text in English and generate it using another language, German, for example.
Wenn Sie sich meine vorherigen Videos zur Installation von Windows 8 und 90 angesehen haben, sollten Sie bedenken, dass bei der Installation ein ähnlicher Fehler aufgetreten ist.
To download it, press here, Download. Also, you can listen to it again here. The site is also can clone your own voice. To do it, you need to click here. As you can see, I have prepared a test voice sample. Hello and welcome. Today in this video, I'll try to find out is it possible to install Windows 11 on an PC from 1998. Are you ready? Let's go. Next, you need to save somewhere your sample and upload it to the site. Then select your own voice, type any text and click Convert. Let's see what we got. Hello and welcome. Today in this video I'll try to find out, is it possible to install Windows 11 on an old PC from 1998? Are you ready? Let's go. Incredible! It sounds like my own voice. That's how you can create voice on TikTok and YouTube. If you're interested, all links will be in the description. If this video helps, press the like button and subscribe. See you later, bye.